Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Save and Save As tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. If we click on Save tab, the document will get saved. If we click on Save As tab, we get different locations to save the document. We can save the document to cloud using OneDrive and SharePoint. We can save the document in PC. We can add a place, that is cloud locations like SharePoint and OneDrive. Also, we can save the document in local machine by clicking on Browse button. We can provide the name for document and save the document in different formats, like Excel Workbook, Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook, Excel Binary Workbook, Excel 97 2003 Workbook, XML Data, Single File Web Page, Excel Template, Excel Macro-Enabled Template, Excel 97 2003 Template, Text Tab Delimited, Unicode Text, XML Spreadsheet 2003, Microsoft Excel 5.0 or 95 Workbook, CSV, Delimited, Formatted Text Space Delimited, Text Macintosh, Text MS-DOS, CSV Macintosh, CSV MS-DOS, DIF that is Data Interchange Format, SYLK that is Symbolic Link, Excel Add-in, Excel 97 2003 Add-in, PDF, XPS Document, Strict Open XML Spreadsheet, Open Document Spreadsheet. We can add author, tags, and save thumbnails. Browser view options is already covered under File menu, Accounts tab. Under Tools, we can map network drive. Web options will be covered under File menu, Options tab. Under General Options, we can choose to create backup copy always, and provide password to open, and password to modify. Also, we can select Read-Only Recommended checkbox. Next option is Compress Pictures. We can use compressions options, that is apply only to this picture, and delete cropped areas of pictures. We can set resolution, that is hide fidelity, HD 330 ppi, print 220 ppi, web 150 ppi, email 96 ppi or use default resolution. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.